I heard about this proverb for the first time when I was a small kid, and with my parents visited our family in Magam village in Kashmir. The family had exceptionally big paddy fields, and the whole family, like almost everybody else in the village, would be working in those fields during the day. On one such day, when the head of the family and the remaining and the rest of the members returned after the day's work, he took shower and, after cleaning himself, sat down with the family to partake food. For some reason, he mentioned this proverb which reverberates in my ear to this date. Grish kar gav jinkar. This proverb is used as an expression of describing the exceptionally laborious work our farmers have to do to feed the country. It compares the extent of the work that these farmers have to do with that of a devil, one who can do impossible things according to the folklore. As it is, it means a farmer's job is equivalent to that of the devil or monster who has exceptional power and can only do laborious tasks. In this proverb, Grus means a farmer living in a village, Kar means job or work, Gau means is same as, Jinkar means jinn or devil or monster and his work.